How to put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status without link. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch YouTube application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Proceed by tapping Shorts at bottom left corner of your screen and choose the short video. You need to make sure that you choose the particular YouTube Shorts video that you want to post on your WhatsApp status. After that, tap the share icon at bottom right. Now here you will see different sharing options. You need to choose WhatsApp and now choose My Status at top of the screen. And now tap arrow at bottom right. Now you can easily customize the background by tapping the color palette icon at top right. You can even tap the text icon at top right and then add your text. You can tap on a status at bottom left and choose your audience like my contacts or my contacts accept or only share with. And then tap down and bottom right you will see arrow, tap that and you will successfully add the YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status. When you check updates at bottom left, you can see on my status, I already have posted or put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status without link. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.